Hi guys and welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at the brand new GHK 19-in-1 multi-tool. Now GHK stuff is pretty hit and miss. I've got a couple here which this one looks really nice. I can't even remember what it's called now. I have done a review on it. So that's a pretty decent one. It's a chunky monkey, and we've got this one here as well. It's got the awesome scissors on. But they've got something in common. They're really dull finishes. They've got this horrible, well, it's just a boring, dull grey silver finish. And from what I've seen, all their tools are pretty much like this, apart from their new one. So this is what attracted me to it. Well, first of all, let me show you the case. The case is actually really good quality. It's almost like seatbelt material, this nylon sheath. Moly compatible. You can have it vertical, horizontal carry. And it's got a pull tab there and a big Velcro section there. But here it is. How cool is that? So it's like a real tree type camo finish. I'm not sure whether it's like a screen printed or hydro dipped, I don't know, but it actually feels like pretty good quality. It's quite nice to the touch. So let me show you what it's got. So it comes with the pocket clip, and we have file. Now this is actually, which is pretty unusual for a lot of Chinese tools at the moment, it's a really nice cross-cut file on there. It's been really well machined. It feels pretty good as well. And the same goes with the metal cutting edge there. But unfortunately, we've got the annoying, in my opinion, like measuring rule on the other side. It'd be nice to see the diamond file on that side, but that's what you get. But it is actually quite a nice file, and I do like a decent file. So you got that, it's all liner locked obviously. You've then got your main blade, which is not bad at all, decent size. And you've got, if I can get this out, this is the bit where it sort of gets a little bit disappointing. So you've got a decent magnetic bit holder there, but unfortunately it's 5mm bits, and it does come with replaceable wire cutters, but it does, or did, I lost them. Where have they gone then? Well, somewhere. Oh, there they are. They're just hiding in the bottom of this case. Hang on, let me try and get them out. Get out. There we go. No, we don't. That's it. So it comes with a, I haven't even opened these yet. Let's have a little look what we've got. So all double-sided. They're not labelled as to what they are. So there's a couple of T screwdriver things. Same again there. And we've got a Phillips and a flat there, and a small Phillips and a flat there. So it comes with a selection of tools. I just don't like these 5mm. I thought these were being phased out actually, and there's plenty of room in there. They could have put a 1/4" driver. These aren't locking, so just flick back in like that. These are all outside accessible tools on this model. So we've got an awl with the sewing eye, and it's a little nail nick in there. We've got the bottle cap opener and the flat screwdriver. And here we've got the gut hook or rope cutter. And finally we have the can opener, small screwdriver at the end there. Yeah, that's pretty much all that you get there. We have, where do we have? Quite like this on the other side, the opposing side. So it's like this, which is quite cool. You've got your wood saw, feels pretty aggressive. It's got a tapered cut to it, so it should be okay. And finally, we have the scissors, dolphin nose. Let's give them a test. Trusty old paracord. Let's give it a go. They feel pretty good. Oh yeah, awesome. Absolutely perfect scissors. Even at the end, there, and in the middle. Yeah, perfect. So really good set of scissors. Again, liner locked. And finally, we get to the ply heads, which is your standard fare, and you've got the replaceable cutters in there. I have got my 3-core mains cable, so we can give that a little chomp, see how good it is. Yep, cuts through fine. So that is pretty much that. I'll just give it a quick weigh in. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so in grams, it is a hefty 281 grams. And for our American friends, it's 9.943 ounces. So certainly not a lightweight, not the heaviest around, but it is chunky. It feels to me really good quality. The only disappointment, I think, is that 5mm bit driver, which is a bit of a shame, to be honest. If that was a 1/4-inch bit driver in there, that would be perfect, I think. But really like that real tree sort of camo effect. Yeah, really nice thing. This I got on AliExpress. They're at the moment, they're £29, but when I got it, it was like 1 per customer. It was £20 delivered. So that was pretty good value. I have seen these go for up to £65 on AliExpress as well, which obviously is way too much to pay. But I think even at £29, it's a pretty good deal. So yeah, if you just search it up on AliExpress, I'm sure you'll find it. But this is their latest model. And it's nice to see they've actually done something different with the finish for a change, rather than this dull look. Yeah, it tickles my pickle. It's all right. I think it's pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, I'll see you then.